Hi, I'm Trish, and I'm here today with another tips and tricks video. Today we're going to talk about thermal movement and Acrovyn sheet. One of the questions we very frequently get is, can you butt your sheets together for installation? And the answer is yes, as long as the building temperature is going to remain at a constant plus or minus no more than 5 degrees. Now in reality, most buildings do see a larger swing in temperature. And that's fine, we can certainly accommodate that. We just need to allow for a small gap between the sheets. Now, depending upon the temperature fluctuation of the building, we can accommodate plus or minus 20 degree swing in temperature. And what you just need to do is refer to our thermal movement chart, and that's going to tell you what size gap you need between your sheets. You can use a color match or a clear caulk, or you can also use a trim between the sheets. If you are using a trim piece, you just want to be careful again not to butt it tight against the sheet. You're still going to allow that gap so that that sheet can expand and contract. And that's it for another tips and tricks.